Alright folks, good evening. I am Alex Moans, and welcome to the show where we give you the truth about the New World Order, and we're gonna take them down, yeah! Are you ready to come along with the truth, folks? Ha! I'm gonna sit here for the next 3 hours like I do every day. I will be talking non-stop and occasionally giving you something that you don't want to hear, folks. And of course, nobody wants to hear this. People are scared of the truth. We know this. We know this to be true. People think I make this stuff up. I couldn't write this stuff, folks. Other people do that for me. But basically, first item of the day, we found out that the government has implemented this this new patent. I've been given the documents. I got my secret government contacts who I don't know why they keep telling me this information. You'd think they were to figure it out. I can't keep my goddamn mouth shut. But basically, I've seen the documents. Basically, the government is programming your toaster. They're doing this using very special modified electrical circuitry that can be changed through nano robots that travel through the circuitry and land in your toaster. They basically when you go to sleep at night, the cameras that are hidden in your light bulbs, the light bulbs all have cameras. They are watching you as you speak, and they're watching you right now probably. If you sat there with the lights on, I'd turn them off. There's communication with the toaster, and the toaster will get up and take pictures of you secretly whilst you are asleep, possibly with an erection. If it catches you masturbating, these pictures go directly to a secret government website where Satan-worshipping pedophiles, folks, for Satan-worshipping pedophiles will masturbate to pictures of you, and there's nothing you can do about it. And you might wonder, why would they masturbate to pictures of full-grown adults masturbate? Well, that's how sick these people are, folks. They are pedophiles who masturbate to the images of grown-ups, right? I mean, you can't get more sick and twisted than that. I mean, that's basically, this is what their game is. Their game is to make everybody pedophiles, folks. And this is also controlled with HAARP. Anytime I discuss something that's happening in the air, that can be transmitted through the air, that involves HAARP. You might start having pedophilic urges without even realizing it. Now, I've seen, I've got sources. I can link you to these. The source for this is a blog that I found, written by me on my own website, folks. And so people say, how can I trust my sources? Because it's me. I wouldn't lie to myself. Would I lie to you, folks? Of course I would. The other day, before I even knew it, I was in court. I didn't even know what had happened. Apparently, I had been masturbating on camera with 27 witnesses. All caught me. Police came, took me away. And what kind of world do we live in, folks, where a perfectly innocent man who has done nothing wrong, it's a first offense. I've never done anything like this before. I mean, they claimed that I'd done it several times before, and they showed video footage, but this is obviously, I didn't know what I was doing. Before I knew, I was standing in front of the judge, masturbating in front of him, just to prove that I was not a pedophile. And then I even chopped my own penis off, folks. And they think that I'm insane. I mean, I will take you to that level, folks. They surgically put my penis back on. Unfortunately, they put it on the wrong guy. But never mind. I've got a guy in the White House. He's actually crouched behind President Obama right now. President Obama has no idea he's there, and I probably shouldn't have said that live. And I've got this all figured out, folks. Listen, I know so much. I wish I knew less. I wish I could be retarded. I wish I could just sit there and drink fluoridated water and eat all this food, that's packed with chemicals that turn you into a homosexual, make you want to start, killing your family in the middle of the night. So many people are fucking retarded now, including me. I mean, 50 years ago, I would have been considered retarded, But now I'm basically a genius. And like all geniuses, like Galileo and Milli Vanilli, but I mean, I've made so many predictions. I mean, I said 20 years ago, I came on the radio, I put my neck out and I said, I believe that in the next 50 years, something bad will happen somewhere to someone or some people. People will be killed, probably, more than likely. Yes, no. And I was right. Now, people will say to me, you've been doing this 25 years, and how do you know, if this is true, why haven't they killed you yet? If they kill me, that's it. That's enough evidence right there. It's pretty much proven that everything I've said is right. Bringing down the Twin Towers in a controlled demolition, faking the moon landing, killing JFK, hiding UFOs, Area 51, all of these conspiracies, none of these would come close to the magnitude of killing Alex Jones. There would be literally, dozens of people, in the streets holding up signs. And I know I've got my best people here. I trust the people I work with. I know them. Jesse Ventura, a man who knows about conspiracy theory. Jesse Ventura, he used to be in a sport. He always wondered why he never won anything, why, he never got a championship. And you know why? It's because he found out pro wrestling, folks, is actually staged. It's actually fake. All the wrestlers know the results. It's all planned out. Charlie Sheen, his father played the president. And of course, Dr. Ron Paul. He's the only presidential candidate who shows up on every single comment section. He is the #1 spammed name in comment sections on YouTube. And, and I need to do, because I'm sick of dealing with these people. You people who sit out there, you are scum, you are pussies and twats. And Dr. Ron Paul knows how to deal with that, because he's a gynecologist. You people make me goddamn sick. Do you think I like sitting here? I'm sat here on public radio with a load of fat people at home who can't even get, all these people with terrible acne who are just angry at the world and who sit there and can't get a goddamn job, and they listen to me. Because I found the formula, folks. Evidence, reasoning, logic, science. Fuck that. Get a bullhorn and shout. You might be laughing at me now, but let me tell you, when you're being raped and eaten in a FEMA death camp, let me tell you something. You won't be laughing then. I'll be laughing. You can go to my website, InfoFloors, and my new documentary is available. If you want to buy it, you can now get my new DVD, called NWOMFG. Nothing I have never not said on this show isn't, definitely not, anything more or less than not the truth or fiction. We will see you next week, yeah!
Have you noticed the public's pretty much retarded now, myself included?